Hey, did you hear? The big event is coming up.
Wait, which one? There are like a million big events at this school.
The one everyone actually shows up for.
Ah, Hope and Joy. No way, that's so soon. Do we have to dress up or is it just I just rolled out of bed vibes?
Definitely not pajama vibes. I'm going full this might end up an Instagram outfit. And by that, I mean formal uniform.
Then I'd better start planning. What are you most excited about?
Seeing everyone together before the holidays and the chaos. There's always chaos. The good kind, of course. Have you sorted out your plans for Hope and Joy yet?
Not really. Remind me, when is it this year?
It's on December 18th in the pavilion, starting at 6:30. There's also a live stream for anyone watching from home.
Right, that's the one about community and the impact of our actions, isn't it? With music, dance, and all that.
Exactly. It's meant to bring the whole CLEP community together before the holidays. And this year, it's especially about celebrating our feeling of belonging.
Love that. But with such a big event, something has to be different that day. No? What happened to the CLEP teams or activities?
All extracurriculars finish at 4:30. If you're younger and not staying for the event, you should be picked up by 5 o'clock. This means CLEP clubs, CLEP teams, CLEP music, and CLEP advanced.
And if I'm staying, which I will,
then you need to be in your form class by 5:45 in formal uniform, shirt and tie. Form 3 students are the only ones who can wear the polo.
Got it. Can families also join in?
Of course. Check in for families and guests with bookings starts at 6 o'clock at the main entrance. They need a booking, show the QR code from the email, and have ID ready if asked. Families should get their usual tickets from the usual website.
And if someone didn't book ahead?
They go to front desk and try to get a guest ticket, depending on how full the pavilion is.
Are they strict about the start time?
Please try to arrive by 6:25 so we can start on time. Hope and Joy should last around 2 hours.
What happens after it's all done?
Parents of Form 3 and Form 4 students pick them up from their classrooms. Everyone else leaves calmly through the same door they used to enter and meets their families outside or off campus.
If parents have questions, where do they look?
There's an FAQ page on the school website, and if they still need anything, they can email events@clep.pt.
Okay, so 18th of December 2025, formal uniform for Form 4 and above, form class by 5:45, families check in from 6 o'clock with tickets, doors close at 6:25, and event starts at 6:30.
Exactly. See you there.
For lots of hope and plenty of joy.